Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4, how are you? Welcome to your English class. Open your book OPE page number 24, Unit 4, Lesson 4. As you know that we are studying Unit 4, English speaking countries, and here is the exercise number 1, make sentences from the table. So dear students, first we have to read the table very carefully. When it's hot, when it's cold, I'm tired, I'm thirsty, I'm hungry. Here is written only when. When जो है एक दफ़ा लिखा हुआ है, अब उसके आगे ये सारे वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं. So let's read ahead. Go swimming, have an apple, wear a pullover, watch TV, drink a lot of water, go to bed. Here is comma and here is written I. Dear students, here are some sentences. Some are written in left side and some are written in right side. Now we have to write these sentences in correct manner. First, we have to match these sentences with the correct part. This is one part of sentence and this is another part of sentence. We have to match these. Okay? When it's hot, I go swimming. When it's cold, I wear a pullover. Dear students, pullover is a sweater without button or any zipper. Okay? A sweater that we wear from our head without any button. So I'm tired. When I'm tired, I go to bed. When I'm thirsty, I drink a lot of water. When I'm hungry, I have an apple. Dear students, now we have to write these sentences just like the example is given above. When it's hot, I drink a lot of water. Now look at this comma. Put the comma on its correct place and write these sentences on your notebook. Dear students, I have written 3 sentences. Focus. When it's hot, I have put the comma after the hot. I go swimming. When it's cold, I wear pullover. When I'm tired, I go to bed. Dear students, write the sentences very clearly with a correct manner as given in example. Okay? Now what are these sentences? These sentences are clause. Dear students, in clause, each part of the sentence has the subject and verb and object. Okay? Now focus. Here are the two part of the sentences. It's hot. I go swimming. Now it has after it's hot, subject is I, verb is go, swimming is object. Clear? Sentences have different parts. When in each part we see a subject, it means it's a clause. A simple example is that this is a pencil. It is made of wood. This is a pencil. Here sentence is completed. But when we enhance the sentence by saying that it's made of wood. And in previous you learned about the present simple tense and present continuous tense. You can see that the sentence is about present simple tense. Here, I go swimming, I have an apple, I wear a pullover, I watch TV, I drink a lot of water, I go to bed. These all sentences are present simple tense. Okay? Now what is this clause about? डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे ग्रामर में डिफरेंट टेंसेस हैं, डिफरेंट वक्त के बारे में बताते हैं. प्रेजेंट सिंपल है. प्रेजेंट टेंस जो है वो आज का वक्त बताता है कि अभी क्या हो रहा है. पास्ट जो है, पास्ट टेंस है, वो माजी में क्या हो गया वो बताता है. फ्यूचर टेंस ये बताता है कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. तो इसी तरह से क्लॉजेस के भी टाइप होते हैं. क्लॉज के टाइप होते हैं. ये क्लॉज हमें बता रहा है कि जो चीज़ अभी हो रही है, ये काम अभी हो रहा है. इस क्लास में ये है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या काम कर रहा है, उसका एक सबब बताया गया है और उसका एक सही वक्त बताया गया है। जहाँ WHEN व्हेन यूज़ होता है तो ये समझ लें कि यहाँ वक्त की बात हो रही है। पहले सेंटेंसेस में ये है कि ये वक्त बताता है कि अभी बहुत गर्मी है, मैं स्विमिंग करने जाता हूँ। ठीक है, इट्स हॉट, आई गो स्विमिंग। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे बता रहा है कि मैं स्विमिंग क्यों करने जाता हूँ, मैं सोने क्यों जाता हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा पानी क्यों पीता हूँ। वाई आई ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर, आई एम थर्स्टी, आई ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर। बिकॉज हेयर इज़ गिवन अ करेक्ट रीज़न, अ करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन। तो ये जो व्हेन है ये सवाल पूछने के लिए नहीं है कि मैं कब जा रहा हूँ या कब होगा। ये एक पूरी बात बता रहा है कि जब मैं थक जाता हूँ तो मैं सोने जाता हूँ। So don't think that it's a question. When I'm tired, when it's cold, it's not a question. It's a complete information that a subject is telling that when it's cold, I wear a pullover. जब ज़्यादा ठंड हो जाती है तो मैं स्वेटर पहन लेता हूँ। So now you understood that it's telling the time. So dear students, this is called time clause, present simple. What? Time clause of present simple. Okay, time clause of present. You can say that just present. Okay, now come to the exercise number 2. Make sentences for these pictures with the help of the given words. Look at this picture. What do you see in these pictures? A man is walking on the road. A man is walking on a bridge. It's a bridge and it's a station and bus, and a man is out of the bus, and here is water is boiling and you can see steam, and it's a fridge and ice. Oh, it's a fire and water. Look at this picture number 1. Here are some words given. Now we have to make sentence from these words. Okay, now what will be the sentence? When you heat water, it turns to steam. Just like above sentences, you have to make sentences like this. Okay, from these words we have to make sentences like above. Okay, now when you heat water, it turns to steam. Now the question is, when we boil the water, why it turns into steam? Dear students, because water has some molecules. You must know about the formula of water, H2O. It has some molecule. When we heat water on high temperature, the molecules start to move faster. When the water starts to boil, they come up into steam, in the form of steam. So the molecule convert into gas energy just like steam. So dear students, high temperature means boiling temperature, which is 200 Fahrenheit. Now come to the picture number 2. It's ice. You can see fridge and ice. So dear students, now here the question is, why the water freeze? Dear students, when the temperature goes down or gets low, the water molecules stop to move and form in crystal shape, just like ice. And the freezing temperature is 32. Dear students, in our area, when it's summer, the temperature is above 40 because it's very hot. In winter, the temperature is below 40 because it's very cold. So dear students, picture number 3 shows that when we put water on fire, the fire will extinguish and come to the end. Now the question is, why the water destroy the fire? Just remember that fire is made of main 3 elements: heat, fuel and oxygen. If we remove any of 3, the fire will come to end and fire will extinguish. As we know that hot and cold are opposite, when we add water on fire, it decreases the heat and extinguish the fire. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आग के बारे में आपको पता है कि आग में जो मेन चीज़ें होती हैं वो गर्मी होती है और उसको जलने के लिए कोई चीज़ चाहिए होती है, लकड़ी या कोई कपड़ा या कोई घासलेट या तेल वगैरह, और हवा में मौजूद ऑक्सीजन उसे जलने में मदद देती है। तो इनमें से अगर हम कोई भी एक चीज़ निकालेंगे तो आग नहीं जलेगी। अगर हम उस पर पानी डालेंगे तो पानी जो है वो गर्मी को कम कर देता है, जिसकी वजह से आग बुझ जाती है। नाउ कम टू द पिक्चर नंबर 4। हेयर इज द मैन वॉकिंग ऑन द रोड and we have to write the correct sentence. When we arrive at crossroads, we go straight on the road. Dear students, यहाँ पे हमें डायरेक्शंस बताई गई हैं कि हमें रोड पे कैसे चलना चाहिए। अगर हम कोई रोड सीधा देख रहे हैं, क्रॉस रोड देख रहे हैं, तो हमें सीधे चलने चाहिए। तो पिक्चर नंबर 5 में बता रहा है, when we reach at the end of the road, go over the bridge. If you see any bridge on the road, just go over the bridge. Okay? Did you see some cross lines on the road? These tells us where we have to go. Come to the picture number 6. You can see here a man is coming out of the bus and here is written station. That means when you come to the station, get off the bus. Dear students, जब स्टेशन पे बस आ जाती है तो इसका मतलब है कि आपको बस से नीचे उतरना है। स्टेशन का मतलब होता ये है कि ट्रांसपोर्ट जो है वो रुक गई है, अब आपको नीचे उतरना है। Okay, dear students, I hope you understood the time clause of present tense. Now you have to write these sentences in correct manner. It is your homework to write these 6 sentences in a correct manner on your notebook. So dear students, ये ऊपर वाले sentences भी आपने अपने नोटबुक में लिख लिए होंगे। तो अब भी आपका होमवर्क है कि ये जो सेंटेंसेस हैं आप अपने बुक में इसको करेक्ट करके लिखें, जिस तरह के ऊपर वाले सेंटेंसेस लिखे हुए हैं कॉमास के साथ। तो ये आपका होमवर्क है। डू योर होमवर्क केयरफुली। आई विल बी बैक विद अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग लेसन। टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर।